How does your body react to sunburn peeling? The answer reveals a fascinating repair process your skin undergoes when damaged by the sun. Understanding this can help you care for your skin better. Sunburn happens when ultraviolet rays from the sun penetrate your skin and damage its cells. This damage causes inflammation, making your skin red, swollen, and painful. Your body immediately reacts to protect you by increasing blood flow to the area, which brings immune cells to start repairing the damage. This is why sunburn feels hot and tender. After the initial sunburn, your body begins to remove the damaged skin cells by peeling. This is a natural part of healing. The outer layer of your skin, called the epidermis, gets damaged, and your body pushes these dead cells off to reveal fresh, new skin underneath. Peeling may seem unpleasant, but it's a sign your skin is healing properly. Peeling serves an important protective role. By shedding the damaged, dead skin cells, your body prevents bacteria from entering and causing infections. It also clears the way for new skin cells to grow and restore the skin barrier. This process can take several days to a week, depending on the severity of the sunburn. When your skin peels, it's important to keep it moisturized and avoid peeling it off manually. Picking at peeling skin can cause scarring or infection. Use gentle lotions or aloe vera to soothe irritation and support healing. Also, stay out of the sun to prevent further damage while your skin recovers. Sunburn peeling might seem annoying, but it's your body's clever way of healing damaged skin safely. Remember to protect your skin and care for peeling areas gently. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your curiosity glowing.